New Year, new raw chicken. This new raw chicken on this man-made New Year. So much different. It's amazing what a one night of sleep can do. It's completely new. New. Maybe the salmon Nutella was sleeping, hibernating all last year. Maybe this is the year. Salmon Nutella. Why is it even the new year right now? Who made that up? I thought there were 13 months. Because that's what you get when you follow the moon in the sky. It has 28-day cycle. And you can fit 13 of those 28 cycles in a year. And then you get one extra day. And that extra day is for eating raw chicken, of course. Even the month names in English, the good old fashioned English, don't make any sense. Why is September? Sept? I learned in school that's for 7. This man-made symbol 7 equals this man-made symbol sept. But it's the 9th month. What the hell is going on? What about oct? Those man-made symbols put on that order equals man-made symbol 8. But it's the 10th month. What the hell is going on, guys? It don't make any sense. Who even cares? It's just the day. But if you go with the 13-month calendar, at least it makes naturally some sense. The new year would be in 1st of April. That's kind of when everything gets going. The life kind of starts again. The nature pops back in life. But the new year we have right now, where the freaking dead up in there. It's cold, it's dark. There's nothing going on. It's anyways. Freaking man-made days, man-made calendars. Or maybe they do have some interesting meanings. Archaics, shout out to Archaics, that's the best calendar channel on YouTube. If you believe him, there is some meanings to these calendars. There's kind of a big meaning behind them. Oh, who knows? I was explaining to my family during Christmas all about this 30-month. Why does our calendar system don't make any sense? And they were like, damn son, you are a genius. And I was like, yeah, no. Yeah, no. And I have a great community of geniuses in base science. I am a base scientist. But it was actually funny, we were talking about all kinds of conspiracies with my family during Christmas. they're really open-minded. Not many families are these days, not many people are these days. That's kind of sad. My sister, who's quite a bit younger than me, he's even got some conspiracies. He was talking about Diddy and how every artist has to thank Beyonce in these Grammy galas or whatever. And I was like, where did you learn that? And she was like, TikTok. And I was like, maybe there is some minor good things about TikTok. Like very minor. But the best would be that I wouldn't be making this video for you guys. You wouldn't be watching this video. Nobody would be TikToking or Instagramming or whatever. The best would be that we would all have communities and be happy with them, happy with other people. We wouldn't have to rely on our communities to be pixels on the screen, even though it's kind of fun, but still it's nowhere near as fun than being with other people in real life, with real communities, real families. Eating raw chicken with your fam and your community in real life. But nobody wants to do that shit anymore. That's why we're here. Getting that base science and base knowledge out there so we can go back to being real human beings. When our brains, our bodies, our minds, our freaking emotions, our hearts are working. We don't give two shits about man-made New Year's on this day or that day. We just have fun, be healthy as hell, be happy with real people in real life. That's the answer. We ain't there yet, so let's have some fun on these pixels with our screens. New year, new raw chicken. Namaste, motherfuckers. I hope you have a good year. My year starts